How to renew a U.S. passport for a minor. Passports for U.S. minors under 16 cannot be renewed by mail. You must apply in person for a new one. Step 1. Gather documents. Bring proof of U.S. citizenship like a birth certificate or old passport, and proof of parental relationship such as the birth certificate listing both parents. Step 2. Parental consent. Both parents must appear with valid photo IDs. If one parent can't be there, submit a notarized Form DS-3053 and a copy of their ID. If you have sole custody, bring the court order showing it. Step 3. Prepare your application. Complete Form DS-11 online, but don't sign it until you're in front of a passport agent. Attach one recent 2x2-inch color photo of the child. Step 4. Apply in person. Visit a passport acceptance facility like a post office or library. Most require appointments. Pay the application fee at the appointment or online via pay.gov. Step 5. Track your application. You can check the status online and the new passport will arrive by mail once approved.